Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today just to give you some ideas and show you how I put together an embellishment box. This embellishment box is for a birthday challenge and it is for my friend Kathy at Kathy's Favorite Things. I will link her YouTube channel in the description box below. So I like to put shred on the bottom just to give cushion to the whatever I put in the different parts of the embellishment box. And this one I'm just adding pink, as you can see now, like raffia paper shreds, and I've also already had added white paper shreds to every other one. So this is just going to give you ideas of what you can put into your embellishment box if you're looking for ideas. Believe me, there are many other options. This is just a few that I've come up with, and some of the ones that I like to always use. So I'm just gifting her some of these gold balls that everybody puts in their packaging as part of the funfetti of it. And then I'm also adding some of these little layered flowers that I made that have pearl flatbacks as the centers. And then I'm also going to gift her in this embellishment box some of these bow beads that I received. And if you watch, I'll put a link here to the BB Craft haul that I did, showing you where I got those beads from. So I'm just giving her pink in both different shades. I'm also adding some of these resin cabochons that I received from BB Craft. They're in a sweets theme. So there was like cake and donuts, that kinds of things. Sorry, my dog. And then I'm also going to gift her some of these resin gummy bears that I have. They have a flat back to them, so they're great for embellishing or adding a bezel to make a charm. I'm also adding some of these foam flowers. Well, these ones right here are paper flowers that I have, a turquoise and pink color paper flowers that I have. But I am going to add some foam flowers, as you see here. Some light pink, some darker pink, and then some teal ones. Oh, and the teal is in 2 different colors. And that completes my embellishment box. So I hope Kathy likes it. Don't forget, the information will be in my description box below if you want more information. And here's my embellishment box that I will be sending her. It's for her birthday challenge celebration. I will link her YouTube channel in my description box below so you can go find out the information if you want to help her celebrate. Kathy does hauls. She does lots of crafting. Such a beautiful woman. Sometimes she shows her son, Augustin. I hope you guys are doing well, Kathy and your family. And blessings to you this holiday season. I hope that you all are doing well. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you're new here, I hope you consider joining us and hitting that subscribe button. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. To find more videos like these, see here. Consider sharing this video, and until my next video, shakas.